Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for some nice towels to keep your car clean? I have some microfiber towels by Mighty Cleaner that are like microfiber towels but on steroids. These things are awesome. So first, it comes as a 6-pack, and these things are incredibly thick. I've never seen towels so thick. They're also super, super soft. I don't know how they did it, but there's no edge, no seams or stitches on the end. Your towel goes all the way to the end. I just keep them in our Jeep for after the car wash to go through and get all those wet spots that are left over to make sure that we don't have any streaks on our car. They absorb the water really well and leave it completely streak free. I also used it to kind of clean up some leftover bug things that the car wash didn't get. It gets those off and leaves that super glittery shine that I love so much about our black Jeep. They also work well on our windows, the interior, our screen in the front of our car. They are 12 by 12, which is like the perfect size because it's enough that it has a lot of absorption power, big enough to clean, but it's not so big that it's like flopping all over the place. So if you're looking for some amazing towels to keep your car clean, I highly recommend these by Mighty Cleaner. But that's just my point of view.